Good morning. Good morning everyone. How are you all? I'm doing good. What are you doing at house? Are you taking out your books? Doing some coloring? Doing some crafts? That's really great. Okay, let us learn some days of the week and we'll see what is date today and the day and the weather. Come on, let's see. What is today's date? 6-8-2020. 8 means which month? Can you tell me which month? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. We are in August month. August month is in 8. This is 8 number. So this is 8th month. 8th month falls in August. 6 dash today's date is 6th and this month is 8th and this year is 2020 and the day is Thursday. Can you tell me the spelling of Thursday? Thursday, Thursday. And the weather is today's, is it cold? Is it windy? No, today it's little sunny. Today's weather is sunny. And how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. I've told you how to break the spelling and read. We'll do it once again. S-U-N, sun, D-A-Y, day, Sunday, M-O-N-D-A-Y, day, Monday, T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, day, Tuesday, Wednesday, W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, day, Wednesday, Thursday, today day is Thursday, T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, day, Thursday, Friday, F-R-I-D-A-Y, day, Friday and Saturday, S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, day, Saturday. So we have 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. That's good. Are you practicing the spellings? You have to write in your notebook also. Okay, what color dress you wore today? What is that color? Tell me. I wore a white color dress and this is my dupatta is in pink color. So you have to tell your own color dress. Okay, that's good. For UKG today a new concept, that is this and that. This means near. That means far. Okay, this is my pen. This is with me. So this is very near to me. So I say this is my pen. And my friend, she is going to tell you that. Jyoti, pick up one pen. So she is standing very far from me. So this is my pen. That is Jyoti's pen. That is means far. This is near. Near, far. Near and far. So this and that. Okay? Very good. And see, this picture is very near to me. This is a car. When we say near, we have to write this. This spelling is T-H-I-S. This is near to me. So I say this is a car. Jyoti, can you tell me what is that? Because that is far from me.
It's a dog.
It's a pup. So it is far from me. So we say that. See, I am showing my finger very far. So that is a pup. This is near. This object is very near to me. So I say this. And
That's a pup.
that is a pup. So let us write on the board. See? T-H-I-S. This. We have to underline this. Because we are learning this concept, so we have to underline this to remember. Finger space, I-S is, finger space, A, finger space, car, C-A-R, car, K-A-R, car. This is near to me, so I wrote this, T-H-I-S, this, I-S is, A, car, C-A-R, car. Now Jyoti will write. See, that's very far from me. So what is that we say? That. See, in the word also I'm saying that. See, T-H-A-T, that. That. T-H-A-T, that. Underline. Finger space. Finger space. A. Finger space. Pup. What is the spelling of pup? P-U-P, pup. Okay, that is a pup. P-U-P, pup. And that spelling T-H-A-T, that. Th. T-H means the, at, A-T, at. That is, I-S is a pup. P-A-P, pup. That is a pup. This is U sound word, so you say P-U-P, pup. What is this? This is very near to me. This is near to me. So what I say? This. And what is this object? Can you tell me what is this object, Jyoti?
Fish.
This is a fish. T H I S. This. T-H-I-S, this. This, finger space, I-S is a, this is a fish. Fish is spelling F-I-S-H, fish. This is a fish. This is a fish. This is near to me, so I say this. T-H-I-S, this. And that's very far from me. So what is that? That's a rat. That's a rat. So what is that spelling? See, T-H-A-T, that. T-H-A-T, that. Underline. I-S is finger space. I-S is again finger space. R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. This is a sound word. R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. And full stop. See children, this is a sentence we say. So after finishing sentence, we have to write a small dot. A dot means a full stop. Here also, see. Okay? Once again, we read the sentence. This is a car. So whenever somebody asks you what is this, means you have to say this is a pen, this is a car, this is a fish. Okay? And which is very far from us, we say that. But we have only one picture. If we have so many pictures, that is a different concept. That is a pup. That is a rat. And what is this? Jyoti, can you tell me what is this?
Apple.
How do you say apple?
Apple.
An apple. This is an apple. Apple means vowels. Can you tell me vowels? A-E-I-O-U. Vowels. And the first letter is A. So we say an. T-H-I-S. This. Finger space. I-S is. I said, what is this? Apple. Apple means how we say? An apple. Finger space. A-N. An. Apple. Apple spelling, can you tell me? A-P-P-L-E. Apple. And full stop. See, did I write any an over here? Didn't write an here. So, do you remember the concept of vowels A and an? That's great. So, the same thing will be applying over here also. Okay, this is an apple. And what is that? What is that? That is an airplane. T H-A-T. That. Underline that. Finger space is is. Finger space an. Airplane. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. Full stop. That is an airplane. Once again we will read. This is a car. This is a fish. This is an apple. That is a pup. That is a rat. That is an airplane. We'll show some other pictures also. Yeah, see this and that. This and that. We use this to point at a thing or a person which is near. So let us read. This is a bat. This is a bat. This is a hen. This is a key. This is an apple. An apple. This is a boy. Now that. We use that to point at a thing or a person which is far. That is a ball. That is an egg. E-G-G egg. E. Okay. That is an egg. That is a log. That is an orange. A-E-I-O-U. There is O in vowel. So what we say? An orange. That is an ice cream. Ice cream. A-E-I. There is I letter in the vowel. So what we say? A or an? An. That is an ice cream. Okay? Understood? We'll show some other objects also. See. This, it's with me. This is a sun. This is a sun. This is a dinosaur. This is a dinosaur. That is a jug. That is a jug. That is an elephant. A-E-I-O-U. There is E in vowel. So what we say? An. That is an elephant. That is an brinjal. That is a brinjal. Sorry, I said an, but it is a. Okay, that is a brinjal. Yum yum ice cream. That is an ice cream. Ice cream spelling I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M. So the first letter is I and vowels also we have I. So we say an ice cream. That is far from me. So I say that is an ice cream. Hope you understood this concept. Take out your books and start writing. This is a car. This is a fish. This is an apple. That is a pup. That is a rat. That is an airplane. Clap your hands.